In this video, I will show you how to transfer funds from our TFSA account to your FHSA account on Wealthsimple. Right now, you can see that my FHSA only has $100 in it. I want to move more money into this account, so I'm going to transfer funds from my TFSA. First, go to your TFSA account. Once you're inside the TFSA, scroll down until you see the transfer button. Tap on that. Now this part matters. You'll see two options, from and to. Under from, make sure you select your TFSA. Under to, choose your FHSA account. Once both accounts are selected correctly, tap Next. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure the amount is lower than the available balance, which you'll see written right below the input box. After entering the amount, tap Next again. You'll see a confirmation screen showing all the transfer details. Double check everything. If it looks right, press Next. And that's it. The transfer is complete. Tap Done. The money should be available instantly to trade inside your FHSA. As you can see, my FHSA balance has now increased from $100 to $1,500. Thanks for watching.